A submarine is sitting in total darkness, 500 meters underwater. No light, no windows, and it can see a whale 10 kilometers away. How? Sound moves through air at about 343 meters per second, but the moment it hits water, it jumps to 1,480 meters per second. That's 4.3 times faster. Same sound, completely different speed. Why? Think of sound as a chain of dominoes. Each molecule bumps the next one to carry the wave. Speed depends on two things: how stiff the medium is and how heavy the molecules are. Water molecules are packed together roughly 800 times more densely than air. They're like a tightly coiled spring. The moment one moves, the next one feels it almost instantly. Though individual water molecules are actually lighter than the nitrogen and oxygen molecules that make up most of air, water's far greater density means there's much more mass packed into the same volume, which by itself would tend to slow sound down. But its stiffness wins by a landslide. Water resists compression about 15,000 times more than air does. Stiffness dominates, sound flies. Now here's the curiosity gap I want you to hold on to. If sound travels faster in water, why does it bend downward as it goes deeper? And how do submarines exploit that bend to hide? Speed of sound in water isn't fixed. It rises with temperature and pressure. Near the surface, warm water equals faster sound. Deeper, cold water equals slower. Speed drops as you descend until pressure takes over and pushes it back up. That dip in the middle is called the SOFAR channel. Sound fixing and ranging. Sound naturally bends toward the slowest point, gets trapped there, and travels incredible distances. Whales use it to communicate across entire ocean basins. Submarines exploit these sound speed variations strategically for both detection and stealth, and those two goals actually pull in opposite directions. For detection, a submarine might fire an active sonar ping and listen for the echo bouncing back from a target. But here's the trade-off. Firing that ping announces your presence to everyone listening. So for hiding, submarines lean on passive sonar, just listening, never transmitting, and position themselves in or below the SOFAR layer or inside shadow zones where the bending of sound created by the speed profile refracts incoming sound away from them entirely. An enemy's sonar ping curves right around them. They become acoustically invisible.